Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone tutorial, and here I'll detail how to turn off inverted camera in iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you use your iPhone camera, now the problem is you want to turn off the iPhone inverted camera, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is just go ahead and open your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down until you go to the camera app and open it. So it doesn't matter whether you're using iOS 18 or you're using iOS 17 or earlier. Just go ahead and open the camera application. Then once you open the camera on the settings page, this is what you're going to see. Now you want to scroll down to composition. Under composition, you should see mirror front camera. If mirror front camera is enabled, then your inverted camera will be enabled. Now disable this to disable or turn off the inverted camera on your iPhone. Now once that is disabled, then you're good to go. You can just go outside settings and start using your iPhone camera, and that is going to turn off inverted camera on the iPhone. So that is basically how to turn off inverted camera in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.